Okay, right now, I don't know if you can hear it, but it's raining, but it's like sunny. I mean, there's clouds, miles away, but I want to know, have you ever seen the rain coming down on a sunny day? Look at that. That's a trip. I don't know if it's coming in my camera or not, but there's definitely rain coming down. I'm getting rain in my eyes. Look, I mean, seriously, nearest clouds are way over there. That's got to be like at least a mile away, and it's just raining. I mean, there's this one little tiny cloud, but it's not doing all that. It's not even the right. But it looks like they're coming in kind of sideways from maybe over there. I don't know, it's kind of weird. It's not like it's a water sprinkler at the neighbor's house or something. I mean, it's doing this everywhere. It's crazy.